What's going on, everybody? Figured I would just do a quick update. It's been a while since I've done a video, so thought I'd show you around the truck and show you what I've done to it so far. So as you can tell, it's got a new look up on top. It got them old Casey daylighters. Probably one of my favorite styles of any truck. I love the 80s classic like romper look. So I did this truck up with those Casey daylighters with the little chrome bar on the back. I like the wheels, that offset. I'm not a big fan of jacking the trucks up usually, so the only thing I really did to make it look a bit nicer is I threw some it's kind of dark out right now, so it's hard to get a good picture. Let's see here. Nah, I can't get a good picture of it. We got ourselves some really nice lifting shackles in the rear, so it's about extra, maybe 1.5 to 2 inches on the rear. Gives it that nice just normal look. I don't like it leveled out too much because I still use this truck for work and I don't need it having a South Carolina squat. So polish the bars up best I could without a drill. I do plan coming in with the buffing wheel and buffing out some of these more scratches and beautiful reflection on the lights there. One of these days I want to get around to getting my hands on a brush guard for the front to really complete the whole look. And then I probably want to swap out that shitty grill. I hate the GMC grill. I think it looks stupid. I want to do the Chevrolet grill. Lights are all wired up. I try to make it look as nice as I could. Nice looms running around. The tires are I don't know what size they are anymore. I probably could have told you a while ago, but I don't remember. When they wear out, inevitably, I'll swap them for something a bit more aggressive, maybe. Just because, it's kind of it's too dark out now. It was a bit lighter, but swap them out for something a bit less street safe. But I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence about that too. I don't want to sacrifice my fuel economy and the ride I get for a more aggressive tire. Like, I take this thing off-road, I do stuff with it, but I don't know if it's enough to justify some crazy tire on there. Anyway, that's the basic walk around on it. Under the hood, there's a few other things I could show you. But again, with it being as dark as it is, maybe I'll post some pictures, I don't know. I put NP boosted coils in the engine, and by far that's the best upgrade I've done for this thing. It was like $120 for those NP boosted coils. Night and day difference in power and performance. I mean, my old coils were going out. I was having all kinds of issues with misfiring every now and again, and hesitation when I'm shifting gears, and that's completely gone away once I put the different coils in there. So that's one good thing. I think that just about covers it. I know my channel name is AMC Guy, and I know that people got mad when I didn't upload anything regarding the car, but the good news for you is tonight I am going to be working on this bad boy, so maybe I'll take some photos. I don't know. I'm kind of a guy that likes to work and record things secondary, but if I get something recorded, I will. I'll tell you right now, though, the car is running great. I've been having a wonderful time messing around with it. I think the only thing that I got to address is my brake booster has a vacuum leak. So I'm going to try and isolate it and figure out where it is and repair it. And that's a bit for me right now. So I'll update again when I have the chance. Stay tuned.